our sir Sheila.
This is Shantila Sheila, ID 2197.
And Sifa.
Hello everyone, this is Shyam Mohammad Islam, ID 2191.
And the last one is
This is Nirav Rahman Research and their ID number is 2257.
Before I start our presentation, I would like to thank my respected course teacher, Rizwan Ahmed sir, for giving us such an opportunity to do something they deliver before you. And this is our presentation topic: separation of power in Bangladesh Constitution. Next. And here is our presentation outline. You can see well. Next. And let's talk about topic introduction. Law means separation of power. Our topic was separation of power, and separation of power is the separation of power in Bangladesh Constitution divides government authority. The authority into three main branches. The one is lawmaking. These branches creates law and policies. This power belongs to the national parliament. And the second one, law enforcing. Law enforcing this branch passes law and control the country. The Prime Minister, Cabinet, and President make up this branch. And the last one is interpreting. This branch interprets law and resolving dispute fairly. In Bangladesh, the Supreme Court and lower court handle this function. Okay, next. Here is our constitution. Constitution forming.